Welcome to KidsWorksheets. Hello children. In this video, we will learn about some popular types of parrots. So are you ready? Okay, then let's start. This type of parrot is blue and yellow macaw. Blue and yellow macaw. Next is Amazon parrot. This type of parrot is called Amazon parrot. This type of parrot is Alexandrine Parakeet. Alexandrine Parakeet. This is Cockatiel. Cockatiel. And the last is Conure Parrot. Conure Parrot. Parrot, the smart pet. Parrots are one of the most favorite pets, especially amongst children. They are bright in color and good to look at. Besides their good looks, they are super intelligent and social animals. They live for long and can keep you fully entertained. Parrots are smart creatures. Parrots learn well and they learn quickly. They are intelligent and can copy words and dialogues easily. They are playful creatures. Parrots can copy sound. Parrots are popular pets because they can easily copy sounds, make funny noises and repeat words. Some types of parrots can speak over 100 words. Parrots can eat with their feet. Parrots are only birds that are capable of eating with their feet. They have 4 toes on each foot, 2 facing forward and 2 facing backward. This makes it easy for them to pick up food and bring it to their mouth just like humans. Parrots live long. Smart parrots usually live for 15 to 20 years, while medium-sized parrots live for 25 to 30 years. Large parrots can live up to 80 years.